Hi dears, good morning. Welcome to your science class. So today we are going to learn a new chapter, separation of substances. Separation. The word itself means that dividing or distinguishing. This separation is used in many situations in our life. For example, morning as soon as you wake up, your mother prepares tea. She adds sugar, tea powder, milk, water and boils tea. Once it is boiled, she removes it into another vessel. So she uses strainer there. Using the strainer, she removes the tea dust. Why? Because tea dust is an unwanted thing. Another example. Your father purchases so much vegetables from a shop. The vegetables are mixed up. So what does your mother do? She picks different types of vegetables and separate it. So this way separation is used in many parts of our life. Here we are going to learn about the different methods of separation. The first one is known as hand picking. Hand picking. From the word itself you can understand that pick up with the hand. Mostly this is used in situations where you have bigger mixture or you have a small quantity. A small quantity means just think about your mother separating the stones from the grains or pulses before she cooks the food. So their hand picking is done. The stones are picked out. The next situation is, just imagine you have a basket of fruits. Different types of fruits are there in the basket. So you want to use each fruits separately. So what we do? We pick out the fruits and we keep them separately. This is also done by hand picking. So hand picking is done in such a situation where you have bigger particles or small quantity of things. Now just imagine if you are having a bunch of grains which is kept after harvesting. So after harvesting there will be lot of bunches of grains on the stalks. So here what you have to do is you want to separate the grains from the stalks. Can you just imagine to remove it with your hands? It's not possible because the stalks are a lot of bunches and there is so many grains in each bunch. So to pick each grains from the bunch is not possible. So here we use another method. Here we use a method called threshing. Threshing means a method used to remove the grains from the stalks. The stalks are taken in bunches and it is beaten on hard surface. When you beat it on the surface, the grains are separated from the stalks and this is known as threshing. Now another method. Now already you have removed the grains from the stalks. But even then, there will be some small particles, dust particles or the small pieces of stalks along with that grains. You cannot use it like that. You have to separate them also. For separating this, we use a method called winnowing. Winnowing is a method used to separate lighter particles from the heavier ones by using wind or blowing air. For example, the stalks and the grains are separated. Now you take the grains and just it is dropped from a height. Slowly it is dropped. So as we drop, the wind is blown from one side, from the back side of the grains, or we blow the air. So when you blow the air, the dust particles which are lighter will fly away far and the heavier grains will just fall in the below of this your legs. So what happens here? The lighter and the heavier particles are separated. So this is one method. This is a method used to separate lighter and heavier particles from a mixture. We have another method known as sieving. Sieving is a method used to separate smaller and bigger particles mixed together. This is normally used to remove the stones from sand. You might have seen it. Where construction takes place, the people use a big sieve and they put the sand into that. And they slowly shift it up and down. When they shift it up and down, the smaller particles, sand particles, goes through the sieve and falls down, and the grains or the stones which are there will be on the top of the sieve. So this is used to separate a mixture of bigger and smaller particles. So today we have learned the 4 methods of separation, that is hand picking, threshing, winnowing and sieving. Hope you all understood it. Have a nice day. Thank you.